Namaskar students, Computer Science class 12. Our series is going on data file handling in Python. In this video, I am going to explain the positioning of cursor in the file using tel and seek function. So I, Sanjay Parmar, welcome you all in my channel tutorial AICS IP with the series of Computer Science with Python. So here we are going to begin. The first function is the tel function. What is the use of tel function? The meaning of tel is to say something. Means whenever we are telling something, it means we are saying something about some concepts. So that is called tel. So similarly, tel functions tell or says about the current position of the cursor in the file. So whenever you want to know the position of the file, where is your cursor, that you can know by using tel function. So the example is something like this. First we have to open our file in the read mode, then we can use printf.tel. So it will display the position, or it will show the position or tell the position about that cursor. And the another function is the seek function. It moves the cursor at required position in the file. So whenever you want to move the cursor at required position or at desired position from where we want to write or where we want to read, so that time we can use seek function. So it automatically moves the cursor. Suppose right now your cursor is here. Now at next step you want to move your cursor at here. Here I have done this thing by clicking mouse in MS Word. But how Python will do that? So Python will do that by using this function, seek, offset and from, where offset refers to the position where you want to move your cursor, and from is the place which you want to move, means from where you want to move. That is called from. So let we use these two functions in practical also. So I have already opened Python. I have created one file, text file, that I will show you. Let me open that. File handling. This file I have created, that is intro.txt. Let we read the file first. Print f.read. So here it will display the content. So here file contents are like this. Welcome to tutorial AICS IP blog. Here you will get study material for AICS IP and IT 402. For more updates, subscribe this website for your email, by your email. Your feedback and suggestions are highly appreciated. So do not forget to comment your views. Students, if you have any doubts or queries, please ask in comment section as well. Thank you for using our blog and watching our videos. Share the videos with your friends and groups. If you are watching this channel first time, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified. So these are the contents of that text file. Here two lines are added, that is blank lines. So let me erase that file and then do the correction. So here, okay, because the last position is /n in text file. So that's why. Let me run it once again. Now you can see. So these are the contents of my file. Now I want to check that when I am starting reading, where is my cursor? So there you can check by using tel function. Suppose initially I have already explained you where your cursor will be in text file. If you miss that file, you can check that video. You can check that video in I button, and I will provide you the link in description as well. So here you can see the initial starting position. So the starting position, let me print the value also. So print f.tel, that function will use to print the position. Now see, beginning, when you start text file reading, the cursor placed automatically at the beginning. That means the 0th position. So here you can see it is showing 0. So right now when you are starting reading, the cursor is at 0. Now I want to move and I want to read the file from 6th character or first 6 character, like that. So how you will do that? So if you want to read something, you can read like this: print f dot read. So here I want to read first 7 letters. So 7 I have written in that function. So 7 letters are coming, that is welcome. Now I want to start reading from the 8th one. So what I will do? How I will move the cursor there? So that time you can use p dot seek. So here f dot seek. Now starting position. So I want to move it at 8th letter and from starting. So that I have written over here. So f dot seek 80. Now I am going to read next 10 letters from 8th letter. So print f dot read. Our cursor is already moved to that position. Let me check it's reading from there or not. See, here it's showing welcome, then 2 tutorial AICS IP block. Now let me read only few letters, suppose 10 letters. Now you can see 2 tutorial. So that is coming over here. So means from that particular position, you can read like this. So this way you can use f.seek and f.tell function. So I hope you are clear about this, how to use tell and seek, because many students ask me how to use this function and what are the significance of these functions in file handling. So these are the significance of these functions in file handling. How to use the cursor position. So mostly these type of functions are used to modify the content. So basically in text file, content modification is not allowed in the same file, but you can do with replacing the more file. So from next video, I will teach you how to replace contents in text file. Suppose if we are using searching something in this text file, how to search that, how to do your particular update if you want to replace something. So that is not allowed directly, but you can use some tricky logic and you can follow that one. So let me use this f.tell one more time. So here I want to move at next line f.seek. Now how you will move to the next line? That is also a good question. Suppose in next line you want to move. So print read line. You will use print read line. So by read line it will read the line, whatever line you want to read. Suppose read lines. Then here you can use 1. This I have explained in previous video. Okay, read line, I think read line only, because cursor, wherever cursor is there, it will read the same line. Okay, what I have written? Okay, f is missing there, that's why. Sorry for that. F dot read line. Okay, so here you can see it is showing something from where your cursor is there. Okay, so cursor is there on tutorial. So that is tutorial means I. Cursor is there on I, then after that it is reading the complete line. So this way also you can use these functions. Okay, now I want to use this thing f.seek or f.readline. Suppose 2. What it is showing, let me check. See, so only 2 characters it is showing, just it is reading 2 characters from the cursor position. So similarly now we can use f.tell. I want to know where is the cursor. So then you can know the position by print f.tell. Now you can see the cursor. Right now the cursor position is 20. If you want to change it more, you can change it more by using this f.seek. Now see, in this way also you can use, wherever your cursor is there, f.tell plus 7. This is also one way to change the cursor position. Let me check. See, it is going at 27. So like that also you can use from wherever your cursor is there, you can use. Or similarly, if you write 7, then as simple as that, see, it is moving to 7th position. So like this you can use for updating the content of text file. So I hope you understood this concept. If you understand this concept very well, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and if you are coming to my channel first time, subscribe the channel, press the bell notification icon to get notified. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.